Hello and welcome to the now firmly established British Steam Index series of programmes. This is the 9th volume, dealing with tender locomotives of the 060 wheel arrangement, designed specifically for freight work. As always, we'll kick off with engines from the former Great Western Railway. Such locomotives once populated British railways in their thousands, handling primarily branch line and secondary duties. But such was the versatility of the class, they were also regularly seen on passenger excursions, parcels work, heavy mineral traffic, commuter trains, and even occasional last-minute stand-ins for express passenger locomotives. The Great Western had its fair share of 060 tender engines, primarily the once ubiquitous Dean Goods class, with their characteristic outside frames. Though a handful survived into the post-1948 nationalised system, none has been preserved. The same isn't true of Mr. C.B. Collett's 2251 Class 060. Number 3205 is the only preserved example. This Great Western 060 tender locomotive is working a demonstration recreation of a branch line milk train, once common in pre-beaching Britain.